Hello friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Today we will see how to make strawberry banana smoothie. This delicious and healthy smoothie is packed with nutrients perfect for a quick breakfast or refreshing snack. Let's make. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, high in potassium for heart health, energy and aid digestion with natural sweetness. 1 cup strawberry, rich in antioxidant and vitamin C to boost immunity and support glowing skin. Half cup yogurt, provide probiotics, protein and support gut health. Half cup milk, a good source of calcium and vitamin D for strong bones. 1 tablespoon honey, optional, add natural sweetness with antibacterial properties. Ice cube, optional, make the smoothie thick and refreshing. Instructions: First, prepare ingredients. Peel and slice the banana, hull and slice the strawberry. Second, blend. Add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Third, serve. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Your strawberry banana smoothie is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.